As the FIBA Under-16 Asia Cup Siaba qualifiers roll around, all eyes will be on new head coach of Gilas Pilipinas Youth, L.A. Tenorio. The tournament will tip off right here at home in the city of San Fernando in Pampanga from May 24th until the 30th. The Philippines has swept all 5 previous editions of the competition. Now here's a sneak peek at the team's preparations for the tournament. Watch this.
Obviously, there's a lot of things in my mind kasi first time, there's a lot of questions and syempre nandun din yung pressure, hindi naman mawawala ang pressure ng coach. But, in the end of the day, I'm just enjoying the time with the boys. Enjoy naman ako teaching the young players, no? Well, kung ito yung opportunity for me to share my knowledge as a basketball player also as a long time, might as well really enjoy this time.
So far, so good, no? Mga bata to eh. Pero makikita mo yung potential ng mga bata and LA is doing a very good job. Handling them, explaining it to them, back to basic, no? Mahirap din, siyempre, yung mga star player ng mga kanya-kanyang school nila. For LA, nagawa niya na magsama-sama sila nang walang star, let's start all over again. And that's a very good sign.
Nakikita namin dito yung mga pinagpa-practice namin everyday. Kung nag-improve kami. And we need this kind of games also para we get used to play. Para pagdating na talaga ng games, medyo ready na kami. Kasi pagdating ng first game, dire-diretso na eh. Wala nang time to breathe. So, kailangan talaga itong mga ganitong klaseng tune-up games ay bigyan namin ng importansya talaga.
Ang ganda po ng preparations po namin kasi po araw-araw po kami nagsitraining tapos lagi lang po kami sumusunod sa sistema ni Coach L.A. Sobrang saya lang po kasi andito na po ako. Napaka-grateful ko po sa opportunity na to. Hindi po para sa lahat yung opportunity na makuha to. Kaya pagbubutihin lang po namin pala. Napaka-malaking tulong po nun para sa amin kasi isa po siyang improvement every time na nagkaka-tune of games po.
Pasalamat ako sa Panginoon dahil isa pa ako na-select kasi sa sobrang daming potential din na makuha, parang isa din ako sa nakuha po. Sobrang grateful din po ako.
Player selection siguro next week. Hopefully, mailabas ko na yung final 12 because of the ruling ng Siaba. So hopefully by next week yung final win. Honestly, it's really hard. No? I think that's the biggest decision or the hardest decision that I will make. Lahat sila capable but we have to cut it down to 12 and that's the rules.
Sa mga sumusuporta sa buong Pilipinas na ilaban ho kami sa Siaba, sa Pampanga. Sana po suportahan nyo kami. Mga Pilipino din to. Atin po rin to. Salamat po.
One, two, three.